Welcome back. The India Club is here, and we have Parisha and Archana. I know I was going to mess that up. But nonetheless, you guys have an event that's going to be coming up here in December, your Christmas event. Right. But first and foremost, you have a few things that you would like to let people know about, so go ahead.
Absolutely. Excuse me. We are going to have a show on December 19th at Clubhouse 3 in Dining Room 2. Okay. It will start at 5:30 and it will go until 9:30. And we have an exciting program that day.
Oh, excellent, excellent. Well, you want to tell us about that now, or did you want to talk a little bit about I think you had a meeting last month. Did you want to tell us a little bit about that one?
I think we have done quite a bit about that. So I would rather go forward and talk about the one in December.
You got it, no problem.
First of all, it is the day before Thanksgiving today, and we want to thank the residents of Laguna Woods for supporting us so much. They have come to our programs. In fact, for the last time in November 3rd for our Diwali program, about a third of our audience was non-Indian people, the residents of Laguna Woods, and we are excited. So we want to thank everybody, all the residents of Laguna Woods, on behalf of India Club for their such exquisite support.
That is great. Well, you guys put on very nice events. You always have exciting things happening. So.
Absolutely. We would love to invite people, make them our members, and enjoy our culture as well as all the things that's happening in Laguna Woods, and we would love it.
Well, good, good.
And our December 19th event is our Thanksgiving and Christmas celebration combined.
Together.
All right.
For us Indians living in the US, we have a synthesis of Eastern culture and Western culture in our lives, and we always have enjoyed that.
Okay.
There will be an hour-long program on December 19th. It will be Christmas song by Sunshine Luti, the famous Sunshine Luti, and David Hartman. She has done so much for the charities and for Laguna Woods. So she and the 6 of her singers are going to sing. Okay. And as you know, they both established their institution in 2008 and have given us so many wonderful programs. And I like their defined purpose, that they do it to provide entertainment for community by community members, and also they want to share the joy of music anywhere and everywhere.
And they do, and those two, they sing everywhere, don't they?
Absolutely, they do. And we are so excited about it. Sunshine and her husband, David, they will each sing a solo as well as some duets.
Okay.
There will be 6 singers, there will be a piano player to entertain the audience, and the items that they will sing are a wonderful selection of songs including Santa Baby, Winter Wonderland, White Christmas, I have got my love to keep me warm, and many more like that. So it's going to be a great program.
That sounds like fun. Now, what are you looking forward to?
We are looking forward to giving them a wonderful food.
Oh, good.
So we are going to give them non-Indian food, vegetarian and non-vegetarian.
Oh.
It's going to be a big surprise. But it is not going to be an Indian food. It will be
what if people want Indian food?
They get it year-round.
I see. So the one time it's going to be something different.
This is Christmas, so we would like to surprise them with a different food. It will be vegetarian as well as non-vegetarian.
Nice.
And we also would like Laguna Wood people to come and become a member, and so they have lots of advantages. They can, in the ticket-wise, they can get a cheaper tickets all the time. They get a better dinner. They can come and help us in some ways, like a volunteer basis, and they can help us in at the dinner time or some programs, or they can show their talents, and people have a lot of talents.
I bet they do.
So they can come and perform.
Yes.
And we have a variety of programs throughout the year.
Yes.
So they can participate in one way or the other.
Yes.
So we would love to have them as our members.
Well, I'm sure that they will come to your event. You can talk to them about that. And let's talk a little bit more about the event. It's going to be December 19th, and it's going to be in Dining Room 2 of Clubhouse 3. And that's between 5:30 and 9:30. And then you want them to RSVP. If we could bring that slide up. There's a couple of different numbers Now, what does it say? RSVP open for the first 100, and because you can only fit 100 in there, right?
That's it, yeah.
Okay. And members are $10, guests are $15, and does include the dinner and also the entertainment. So if you want to RSVP, choose any of those three there and just pick who you know.
Yeah. And just one more thing, we are going to have an architectural show. There will be a slide presentation about wonderful architecture of India.
Oh, great.
That's
awesome.
going to be fascinating by Nino Mohan.
Okay.
That is another hour-long attraction. So we have two shows.
Perfect.
So people have to come and enjoy those.
All righty. Well, thank you so much, both of you. We appreciate
you.
it. And you have a happy Thanksgiving.
Thank you so very much.
And Christmas for you guys at the same time.
Absolutely. Wish you happy holidays
All
too.
the happy holidays.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
And remember that that event will be December 19th, and you can always contact the India Club if you want more information. Thank you, and we'll be right back after this.